Magic umbrella. Whenever it rains, Lucy takes her magic umbrella outside. She jumps up and holds onto the handle tightly. Suddenly, the umbrella lifts off the ground and flies into the sky. Lucy loves to fly over her town. She can see everything from up high, the houses, the trees, and even the birds. She feels like she's in a magical world. One day, Lucy flies to a nearby forest. She lands her umbrella and explores the woods. She sees all kinds of creatures, rabbits, squirrels, and even a deer. They seem surprised to see a girl with a flying umbrella. As Lucy is about to leave, she hears a cry for help. She follows the sound and sees a bird trapped in a net. Lucy uses her magic umbrella to cut the net and set the bird free. The bird flies away happily, and Lucy feels proud of herself. Lucy realizes that her magic umbrella can do more than just fly. It can also help others. From that day on, she uses her umbrella to do good deeds, like helping people in need and rescuing animals. Lucy's magic umbrella has made her feel like a superhero. She knows that she can make a difference in the world, even with just a simple umbrella. Lucy becomes known as the umbrella girl in her town. People start to come to her for help, knowing that she has a magic umbrella that can solve any problem. One day, Lucy receives a letter from a little girl who is sick in the hospital. The girl's name is Emily, and she loves rainbows. She asks Lucy if she can use her magic umbrella to find a rainbow for her. Lucy is touched by the letter and decides to help Emily. She jumps on her umbrella and flies high into the sky. She looks around, searching for a rainbow. After a few minutes, she sees a beautiful rainbow in the distance. She flies towards it and touches it with her magic umbrella. Suddenly, the rainbow becomes solid and she can ride on it. Lucy rides the rainbow to the hospital where Emily is staying. When Emily sees Lucy on the rainbow, she smiles and claps her hands. Lucy takes Emily for a ride on the rainbow, and they both have a magical time together. From that day on, Lucy becomes known not only as the umbrella girl, but also as the rainbow rider. She continues to use her magic umbrella to bring joy and happiness to people's lives. She knows that her little umbrella has made a big difference in the world. One day, Lucy gets a phone call from an old man who lives on the other side of town. The man tells her that he needs her magic umbrella to save his granddaughter's life. The granddaughter is very sick, and the only way to cure her is to find a rare flower that only grows on the top of a high mountain. Lucy knows that this is a very dangerous mission, but she also knows that she has to help the old man and his granddaughter. She packs some food, water, and warm clothes, and takes her magic umbrella with her. She knows that this will be a long journey, but she is determined to save the little girl's life. Lucy flies her umbrella high into the sky and starts her journey to the mountain. She flies over the ocean, through the clouds, and over the mountains. After a few hours, she finally reaches the top of the mountain where the rare flower is supposed to grow. Lucy searches for hours, but she can't find the flower. She feels exhausted and disappointed. Just when she is about to give up, she notices a small light in the distance. She follows the light and discovers a hidden cave. Inside the cave, she finds the rare flower. Lucy quickly picks the flower and flies back to the old man's house. She gives him the flower, and the old man prepares a medicine for his granddaughter. The little girl drinks the medicine and feels better immediately. The old man thanks Lucy and tells her that she has saved his granddaughter's life. Lucy feels proud of herself for using her magic umbrella to help someone in need. She knows that her umbrella is not just a toy, but a powerful tool that can change people's lives. From that day on, Lucy continues to use her magic umbrella to do good deeds and help those in need.